Let me show you how we can enter and exit the download mode on the Samsung Galaxy A57. In order to be able to go to the download mode, we need to have a USB cable and we need to connect our phone to our computer or laptop. We cannot really use a power adapter or charger because it won't work. But before we actually connect our phone to our computer, first we need to turn it off. So let's go to the power menu over here, and then we should be able to shut down our phone. Now, after that, we will have to connect our USB cable. We will need to connect our phone to our computer. And once you do that, you want to press and hold both volume buttons over here. So let's do so. I'm going to plug it in. There we go. And then press and hold both volume buttons. And there we go. Now we are in the download mode. Now in here, we can press volume up in order to continue. If you press volume down, then you will cancel and reset the phone. So you can exit the download mode over here. And if you use the power button, you will show the barcode. Now, if you happen to press volume up, then you will see this screen instead, this menu. And in here, if you want to now exit the download mode, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button for 7 seconds until the screen shuts down. I'm going to actually unplug the cable because we don't need it anymore. If we want to exit the download mode, and just press and hold power and volume down, and just keep holding until the screen shuts down. Once that happens, you can release the power button and volume down button, and the phone will restart and go back into the normal mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.